What's going on? Laurie here, back again with another beat making tutorial. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make an emotional slash slow trap soul R&B type beat. Let's get right into it. First, we're going to set the tempo to 77 BPM. Usually when I'm making melodic R&B type beats, I like to start by laying down the chord progressions first. So we're going to start by laying down two simple chords. So for the first chord, I have A minor 9 in first inversion. And then I have an E minor 9 chord in root position. If you're curious about how to construct these type of chords, I explain in depth in my mobile music production course on my YouTube page, so go ahead and check that out. I usually like to begin these type of beats by playing chords on the piano, even if I don't end up using the sounds for my final beat. It's a great starting point when you're trying to make these R&B type beats. Once I have the chord laid down, I like to layer it with another pad sound using the same chord progression. Next, we'll find some counter melodies by going through some pluck sounds. Once we have the foundation laid down, let's start by working on our drums. When it comes to drums, having a simple bounce with the right texture will be enough. You don't have to be too concerned with having a complicated hi-hats and snare patterns to fill up the space. Keep it simple and vibey. Make sure there's enough room for the artist to get on the beat. I'm going to start by laying down the snares on the downbeat. Here's a simple hi-hat pattern that I have going on, nothing too fancy. Next, I have a simple kick pattern to add to the groove. Having a simple groove with the right texture is crucial, so spend some time with the sound selection of your drums and experiment with adding lots of reverb into the sound to create that vibe. Let's try applying some reverb into our snare. Instead of using 808s, I like to use a simple synth bass when I make beats like this. Here's my bass pattern. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this beat. Another thing you can do is throw some vocal chops or samples in there, which you can source it by going online and searching for vocal loops or recording your own using your iPhone, which I'll be making a video about soon. So stay tuned for that. And if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. I'll be releasing tutorial videos like this once a week. Thanks for watching. Cheers.